Do I need a pre-application ID in order to create a new study notification? This is a question that we often receive. As a general rule, business operators must request a pre-application ID before starting any pre-submission activity. As a consequence, study notifications must be submitted within an associated pre-application ID. An exception to this rule applies when a study notification is performed after the submission of an application for which no pre-application activities were conducted, and therefore no pre-application ID was created. Today, we will go through the difference between creating studies with or without a pre-application ID and how to perform these actions. As a start, where should you go to create new studies? First, access the connect.efsa portal by typing the following link in your browser and log in using your credentials, providing that you are already registered. Then you should access the application section by clicking on the related square. At this point, you will have two choices. If you would like to add a new study record to an already existing pre-application ID, you would need to go to the New Application section. In here, you will be able to choose a pre-application ID to which you would like to associate the study record. By clicking on the related request name, you will access the pre-application ID section. Click on New Study now to create a new one to be associated to that specific application. If you need to create a study which is not linked to a pre-application ID instead, from the Application section, this time select Studies. In this section, you will be able to see all study notifications already submitted, as well as notifying new ones, either as an applicant or as a laboratory. After its creation, the study may also be added to a pre-application ID at any point in time. Once you have created your new study record, you can continue to edit it until you are ready to notify it. Once the study notification has been submitted, the laboratory that is working on it will be notified and will be able to proceed with the co-notification when this is needed. Remember, all study notifications have to be submitted in the connect.efsa portal before the starting date of the study. We hope this video was useful to you. Stay tuned for the next one.